And be careful where you're walking.
Okay, so this is a real Pontiac GTO with a 400. This car has got my attention so bad. Now the Ranger, this is a 5-speed. I think I'll be buying this. No, look at the interior on this. You kidding me?
Get your way through
I want to come out of here with something that's gonna tear me on videos pretty hard, you know. Look how clean that is. All right, I'll buy that. We'll consider that gone. I don't know yet. That's a T-Bird Continental. Mercy, look, there's a Ford Galaxie and another Galaxie. That's a 2-door. This is a 66.
We are not going to drive.
I know, I'm figuring 2 cars, maybe 3. If come back here, come on. I know you are, Mercy. Oh, that Bronco too. Check it out. Is that a Bonneville? A little different. Yeah, it kind of is. These are super cool. These are super cool.
What happened?
Gosh, it has Hoosiers on it. What on earth?
That's a Hoosier.
Well, they make drag slicks. An AMC Eagle.
Oh, little baby.
Wow, 5-speed, or it's probably a 4-speed, 4-wheel drive. How's the back of this look? So some of these glass windows right here, you could take the entire window out. Dang, I might buy this too.
If you're gonna bring rats home.
I ain't worried about rats. Keys. Ah, ooh. Got a little bit of damage. Probably should have paid less on that one. Chevy. All right, this is Jeep.
Jeez. It would take a lot, wouldn't it?
It'd take a lot to get it out of here.
Oopsie.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. That didn't hurt. Dust it off.
Gosh, there are some great cars in here. I need a Chevrolet to jump out at me. I can't lie, this thing's sitting right here. That's a Bel Air, but it's crazy. Look at this Continental convertible. Made some deals on these cars. I bought all three. Praying to God it works out pretty well getting them out of here and didn't get eat up on rust. All right, I've got a lot going on. I got these three cars I bought. 84, 85-ish Bronco and Ranger and Bronco too. And 69 or 70 Wagoneer. So I also got myself a Miller Multimatic. I'm sorry, a Miller-Matic 190. It's not the Multimatic. But I got this, I got all my stuff for it, and I just went by our local metal supply place and got me a free Richardson hat, but I bought a nice flow meter regulator. I wanted to get a different style, had the dual gauge, but they didn't have what I needed for the money I needed to spend. So I also picked up a 50 amp surface mount outlet, 50 amp 2-prong breaker. I'm gonna wire in down here. I've got plenty of outlets on this 100 amp, so, or 200 amp, whatever that is, 100. I also I went to Home Depot and I got 10 foot of 10-3 SOOW. This is a 600 volt wire. It's a 3-wire, 2 hots and a ground. What, Mercy? Go ahead, right here. And this is going to be essentially a 10-foot plug. What I mean by that is I'm going to make a wire that I can move around the shop. That's why I went with this heavier gauge. It's a good looking weld. I don't like the sound of it. Well, the plan is I'm going to try to get some things done. It's late. My body's wore out. I'm just trying to knock a couple things out and make some progress. And I'm gonna start by cutting out the center of this bed right here, from here to here. It's rotted out down on the bottom. There's not much I can do with it. So we're gonna get that out, and then, man, I really hate to cut that out. My idea is to take it out and then cut this hitch, weld this directly under this nice bar right here. That's my plan. It might change in a couple minutes. I will let you know. I did a couple different passes, just trying different techniques. First one was gonna be a push-pull, push-pull. And then I was trying some ovals, and then I just tried to run a bead. So check it out. Right here we got a nice push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Here I did some nice circles. I did another push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. And I lost some gas there. I'm still learning this welder, so it's taking me a minute. I'm not an expert or a professional. You know, I've done some welding here and there, but anyways, I'm gonna keep buzzing this in and we'll see how she looks. I'll take it for what it's worth, you know. Boy, I got a nice set of dimes there. I don't know what that is. Nice set of dimes and, you know, so on. Learning the machine. That's what we'll call this session.